Hello everybody, today we're going to talk about the Weather Prediction Center for storms, and we have this little pattern right here in California, Nevada, Oregon. Rain and thunderstorms. We have a little one down here too, rain and thunderstorms. We have rain and thunderstorms for Arizona and New Mexico. We got some Nebraska, some rain and thunderstorms, some parts of southern Kansas, and Oklahoma Panhandle. We got some very heavy rain flash if possible from um, this area to this area, um, which is just from half New Mexico, Colorado, upper Kansas, Nebraska, southern Nebraska. It goes all the way to it's the plains, really. We got down here, trouble, depression, Hannah. We got some of this um, pattern of thunderstorms and rain, severe thunderstorm possibility, heavy rainfall, flash flood possibility. Now we go to day two. Day two, we have the same thing going pattern. We have a lot of high pressures building up. We have a lot of thunderstorms and rain for Wyoming, Montana, half of Idaho, Utah, Arizona, New Mexico. And then we get to this pattern where Missouri and Kansas um, hits this way. And with heavy rainfall and flash flood possibility. We have New Mexico. We have it in um, Oklahoma, Colorado. We have most of the states, and most of the states will be under the upper Midwest. Will not see any from some parts of the Midwest. Will see some. The lower Midwest do see some area. Uh, the South, whatever, the Central do see some of that area. With a lot of storm building up. Day three, we have the same pattern. Oregon, Montana, Wyoming, South Dakota, Nebraska, Kansas, Texas, New Mexico, Arizona, and the East Coast, pretty much. A little bit of flash of possible heavy rain for Kansas, Arkansas, Missouri, and Oklahoma. You see that. Now we're going to the surface analysis. This will show this latest from today. You see this low pressure system from Nebraska and into Colorado and Kansas. We see some high pressures, low pressures. We see the fronts now. The fronts, we see that Monday we get some patterns, some more rain, more rain. This is just delving some rainfall. Wednesday, we're seeing this pattern. Wednesday afternoon, we see that in Kansas, parts of the East Coast, and pretty much just Kansas will see some rain. Missouri, Arkansas, you see some rain likely. So rain likely. KFC, we see that we go into 3 days from now. 2 days, we see 3 days. Some rainfall. 4 days. Some big heavy rainfall. And we have more rainfall. It says this rainfall for today. For tomorrow. Tomorrow, we're seeing MDT. I don't know how to say that. 20 to 50% rainfall, heavy rain, like flash flood possible, and very big heavy rain. Slight for Kansas, slight for Nebraska, marginal for New Mexico, Texas, Oklahoma, Colorado, bottom of Kansas, southern Kansas, really southern Kansas. We got Missouri, we got Indiana, or Illinois, we got some of this parts right here. I said the states wrong. Day two, we see that it's building up a lot. Day three, we have this little slight chance of heavy rainfall, slight 10 to 20% of flash flood. So we have a marginal, so 5 to 10 in some parts. Now we're going to 3 to 7 days forecast. So we see this low pressure building up. We see this long line of pressure building up. We see high pressure builds up, but we see rainfall event for sure. And we go back over here and look at the days again. Day three, we have this little spotty flash flood heavy rainfall area in Oklahoma and southern Kansas. As the front moves down, or stationary and it moves down, we'll get some of that thunderstorm possibility in Kansas, and we're already 8 a.m. on Wednesday, Eastern time. So Eastern time, because this is in the East Coast, we're going to the actual risk for flooding. A lot of flooding for let's go to the slight chance on the 28th. Now let's go to, we're gonna read 3 days first. 3 day, July 29th. So you get this little slight area marginal of 5 to 10. So just a lot of generally rain. So we're looking at this only, and let's see, we're still alive. We are still alive at 6 minutes. So there's another one. We're gonna just continue following this. Forecast daily weather map. It says a rainfall flooding outlook. Full flooding outlook. There's a little bit of chance, a likely chance for South Dakota and North Dakota. So on 27th of August 1st. So the rainfall. We'll go look at this again. We're seeing that 2 days and 3 days. Just a lot period of rain, you know. So this is one day. This is for today and tomorrow, and then we got Monday into Tuesday, and then we got, and it goes beginning. You see that the thing is getting like a big chance for thunderstorms building up. We have this one right here, this little like line of low pressures. There's 3 low pressures, and I don't think they're causing any rain, but they're dry fronts. So that's why we have this long line of weather pressure system going across, and the tail ends right here in Colorado, Mexico, and we see this little line of red. This is the when warm front meets cold front meets stationary. It's a stationary front. Yeah, so that's just a video. Bye. Oh, and I'm going to Kansas by the 29th, 31st, 29th, 30th, 31st. So, and the 1st too. I'm coming back on the 1st.